My name is Kevin Healy, and I am the owner of the boathouse at Rockets Landing in Casa del Barco, newly opened, and we have Acoustical Solutions. The boathouse at Rockets Landing is on James River. Has a sweeping view of the city skyline and the river, and the boathouse is literally a boathouse. The bottom two floors house VCU's crew team and the Virginia Boat Club's crew team.
My name is Helen Reed. I'm with HL Reed Design, and we recently designed Casa del Barco, and then the sister restaurant, the Boathouse down at Rockets Landing, we also designed. From when we first opened it, we had a lot of reverberating noises and just it's very bad acoustics in the restaurant. The restaurant owner, Kevin, wanted to really decrease the noise level because it's one of his biggest complaints down at that restaurant. And that's why we came to you guys to get help.
At Rockets Landing, we've been open for about 3.5 years and have had complaints of noise. And Acoustical Solutions recommended wrapping a couple of large soffits with an acoustical fabric. And that's recently been installed, and although we haven't measured it, but it's cut down the noise to a point where we have the right vibe that it's an action kind of place, but you can comfortably talk with amongst your table. So we're very happy with that solution.
So this new restaurant, what we wanted to do was achieve an old Mexico feeling that we basically picked up an old building and dropped it down in the middle of Richmond, Virginia.
Casa del Barco is on the Haxel Canal in Richmond, and it's a building that was built in 1887. It was originally a tobacco warehouse, and most recently it was the home of Reynolds aluminum foil manufacturing. So with Casa del Barco, we knew going in that this was a very cavernous sort of building, and we could foresee noise issues. So Acoustical Solutions recommended panels in the ceiling. Our design team came up with a kind of a cool mix of our logo and branding message that's been printed on the panels, and they blend in perfectly. And since opening, we've had no noise issues, so it worked.
Based on the boathouse, Kevin Healy, the owner, knew that we would probably have issues here. We have a concrete floor, brick walls, and everything is exposed. So Kevin from day one wanted these panels in here, and we didn't know that we could actually print on them until after we had met with you all. I think the panels look good. They turned out great. I think that they have the perfect amount of color, and they blend in with the ceiling nicely, and they are definitely doing the job. A lot of people have talked about how the place can be so busy, but you can hear your conversation at the table, and if you go over to the bar and it's 3 deep, you can hear anything that's happening. And it's helped a lot with the absorption, because there is no soft surfaces in this whole restaurant at all.